Running a fire and safety company is such a headache. I just wish I had a genie to sort everything out.
Your wish is granted. This is RealSoft Fire and Safety ERP. Turning chaos into clarity, operations into automation, and stress into control. Let's tidy up a little, shall we? Work orders organized. AMC automated. Estimation done in a snap. Scheduling smoothed out beautifully. CRM connected. Inventory synced across every warehouse. Workforce management tracked and empowered. And welcome to your AI integrated workspace. Smart, seamless, and way more magical than spreadsheets.
RealSoft Firefighting ERP is fully packed with comprehensive features such as PPM scheduling, checklists, procurement planning, costing, project-wise profit analysis, quotation, rectification jobs, and more.
With RealSoft Fire and Safety ERP, every process comes together faster, smarter, and in perfect control.